guys, welcome back to my channel and today we are watching another video on property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, category and facilities also. So let's explain property location, functions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and ratings on Lefkada. You invite guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.0, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is first class. Guests love to enjoy the surrounding. Lots of rooms are available on the can book them online and if you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting.